my last taping day for mga batang Reyes. I think only.
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning mga Zooms! Welcome back to our channel. Kung hindi pa namin kayo subscriber, syempre, support lang. Subscribe nyo lang kung gusto nyo panoorin yung everyday video natin. And today, I'm here sa ating taping. I think this is my last taping day for mga batang Reyes. I think only, but we'll never know until the dawn. So ayan, ngayon, since nagda-diet tayo, nagbaon ako ng oats. At sabi ni Curty, ang weird daw ng food ko.
Baby food yan.
Baby food ba to?
Cerilac, ganun.
Oats yan na may peanut butter and banana.
No, it's not.
With cinnamon. Music, wala. Okay.
Walang music.
Anyway, ayan. Ano na tayo? Kakain na tayo ng breakfast. Breakfast ko pa lang. And then later, meron sila ditong tinola soup. Pwede rin yun sa
sinigang.
tinola talaga.
Sabi ni Kuya Berong sinigang.
Sinigang ba? Hindi ako pwedeng sinigang. Maas. Ano pala?
Sinampalukang man.
O, sinigang yun ah.
Oo. Hindi ba mo lang? Pero
Ay, blurry kayo. Ayaw kayo ng camera ko. Not blurry. Anyway, sige, eat muna tayo. I'll see you later. Ayan, magme-makeup muna ako ngayon mga Zoobs. Tapos na tayong mag-lunch. Habang naka-live tayo, pwede tayong mag-makeup. Bilang late. Late to, late.
Nagagta kayo ate Joe.
Kukunan ngayon yung ending ko sa mga batang Reyes. Ibang itsura ko ngayon, kaya watch out. Watch out!
So it is getting a little bit late now and I'm only just starting the vlog, although Diana left this morning around 10:30, so Ryan picked her up because of course I couldn't drive because Mimi has school and I have to bring her there early in the morning and then I have to go pick her up at 12 o'clock. So we didn't have much time for me to drive her all the way to Manila for her taping, so she took Ryan, which we're very thankful for because it was a little bit last minute. So she'll be taping all of today and it could actually be her very last day of taping. But we're hoping she still has one more day because on Wednesday is their last taping day for the whole cast. But of course, it depends on the characters because some roles are finishing today and some will finish tomorrow and then some will finish Wednesday. So she's there right now, but she's only done a few takes. And it's raining again, so I'm staying indoors and we have no help today because all of our family has gone back to their house and some are back at work. So it's just me and the kids today and they are actually been playing for the last couple hours, which is good because I had a headache and it was really, really bad. I actually felt quite unwell for about, I'd say 2.5, 3 hours. I only just started to come good now. So I had a nap and I woke up and then I decided to edit because I haven't posted the vlog and it's already a little bit late. We try our best to get our vlogs out at 4 PM every day, but sometimes there is things that come up, like I haven't edited or I haven't felt well or I didn't schedule the post or I'm behind. So sometimes they do come out a little bit later, but as much as we can, we try to remain consistent. So yeah, like I said, just finished that vlog. Now I've got to load it. And then I'm gonna try and add the lights out here to the balcony. So as you saw a few vlogs ago, we had a unboxing. Well, I did it and we got the fairy lights. So I'm gonna try and install it myself. It shouldn't be that hard really, to be honest, because I just need to weave it through the wood and then I have to find a battery so that I can try it because I think it's battery operated. I actually thought you plug it in. I probably would have preferred the plug-in, although we won't use it that much, so it won't be a big deal. We can always change the battery. So I believe it's a AA battery, but I haven't checked yet. So anyway, I'll get to it and we'll see how we go.
Mga Zooms! Nakadalawang eksena na tayo and medyo mahaba pa yung gabi kaya mag-aantay lang ako. And so far, naubos ko na yung baon ko, yung mga healthy baon ko. I have, kanina pinakita ko sa inyo yung oatmeal, tapos yung lunch ko, saba, egg, at saka chicken. May chicken dito na sinampalukang chicken. Tapos, yung dinner ko, salmon, bangus, and avocado with broccoli and egg. Tapos, nag-midnight snack na rin kami. Ano yung kinain ko? Saba and, ano? May delivery na naman ng pagkain. Ayaw na namin, Kuya Berong.
Ang gusto ko pa. Mamaya po
ano yun? Saba and...
Tatlo.
Kinain kong isa. Nakalimutan ko. Ayan, may delivery na ng midnight snack. Gabi na guys, pero kailangan namin tapusin yung mga eksena. Mga 4 na oras pa. 4 na oras pa ang itatagal ng taping. Kaya, in fairness, hindi ako bloated. Tapos ano ako, gising na gising. I love it. Pero tomorrow, magpapahinga ako. Kasi sa hapon, meron akong taping ng ibang show. So, abangan nyo yan. Siyempre, mag-vlog. Huwag mag-alala, mapapanood nyo din. So, nakukwentuhan lang kami ni Curty Taba. Saan ka galing kanina?
Wala, sa bahay.
Kasi?
Wala lang.
Kasi?
Hinanap ko yung chinelas ko, nakita ko.
Saan mo nakita?
Nasa aparador.
Wala sa ako.
Nalagyan lang ang slippers, nasa pinakadulo. Tapos ako, ay, nasan ba yun? Ang sakit kasi nung nakakapaltos yung Crocs. Ay, hindi. Totoo naman.
Siniraan niya pa po yung Crocs.
Charot lang.
Naka-Crocs talaga ako. Okay naman yung
Hindi,
paa ko.
ewan ko ba, parang nagkakaano pag sumasanggasan lang.
Sobrang laki po kasi ng
Oy,
paa.
hindi. Mas slim girl. Pero time check, magmalapit na mag-alas 12.
Uy, congrats naman natin yung friend natin.
Oo nga, oh my God, congratulations. Ay, yung Kirsten Cervantes.
Hindi ko na nga pinamalan.
Charot na.
Congratulations, friend!
Yeah. Okay naman, di ba? Kasi,
Sabagay. Congrats talaga. Saka na natin siya hingan ng kwento.
sana hindi ka na maging maldita.
Oo nga, ito na yung simula ng pagbabago niya.
Correct. Oh my God.
Magiging mabait ka na. Oh,
Wala nga siya nasabi ka ng video ko na. Ay, taray.
Pagod na pagod yun. Pagod na pagod
Ano
yun.
bang?
Yes. Wala na natin
Mark?
Paglaban na kayo. Lagul. Lagul. Hi. Ikaw na mag-serve kay Mr.
Doon na ba kayo Mexico? Okay, tapos pagdating mo kay nanay, i-call.
Diana Zubiri, kaya pa ba? Today, may gas.
My God.
Ma'am, may gas. Ma'am, kaya pa ma'am? Miss Diana Zubiri, may kaya pa ba today? Yung may gas.
Anong pangalan mo ate sa Encantadia?
Danaya.
Napapagod din yung Danaya. Yes.
Diba? Hindi na niya kinakaya sa buhay. Sa mga tao.
Sa mundong ibabaw.
Akala niyo immortal kami.
Natulog ka ba ate? Kaya ayoko natutulog na eh.
Hindi na kasi kaya.
Bumagsak ang energy.
Thank you.